Q4 was another record quarter. The world has reached a tipping point of new computing era. Companies have started to build the next generation of modern data centers, what we refer to as AI factories. We expect our next generation products to be supply constrained as demand far exceeds supply. One of the most notable trends over the past year is the significant adoption of AI by enterprises across the industry verticals, such as automotive, healthcare, and financial services. Almost 80 vehicle manufacturers across global OEMs, new energy vehicles, trucking, robotaxi, and Tier 1 suppliers are using NVIDIA's AI infrastructure for automated driving and AI cockpit applications. In effect, nearly every automotive company working on AI is working with NVIDIA. We are on track to ramp H200 with initial shipments in the second quarter. Demand is strong as H200 nearly doubles the inference performance of H100. Similar to Q4, Q1 gross margins are benefiting from favorable component costs. Beyond Q1, for the remainder of the year, we expect gross margins to return to the mid-70% range.
Fundamentally, the conditions are excellent for continued growth, calendar 24 to calendar 25 and beyond. And let me tell you why. We're at the beginning of two industry-wide transitions, and both of them are industry-wide. The first one is a transition from general to accelerated computing. General purpose computing, as you know, is starting to run out of steam. There's just no reason to update with more CPUs when you can't fundamentally and dramatically enhance its throughput like you used to. And so you have to accelerate everything. And with accelerated computing, you can dramatically improve your energy efficiency. You can dramatically improve your cost by 20 to 1. And of course, the speed. That speed is so incredible that we enabled a second industry-wide transition called generative AI. You can't do generative AI on traditional general purpose computing. You have to accelerate it. The estimate is probably understated. You know, when you run the internet, the news, the videos, the products that are being recommended to you, because as you know, the internet has trillions of things out there, and your phone is, 3 inches squared, And so the ability for them to fit all of that information down to something such a small real estate is through a system called recommender systems. These recommender systems used to be all based on CPU approaches, but the recent migration to deep learning and now generative AI has really put these recommender systems now directly into the path of GPU acceleration. It needs GPU acceleration for the embeddings. It needs GPU acceleration for the re-ranking. So GPUs are in every single step of a recommender system now. Overall, our supply is improving. We expect that demand will continue to be stronger than our supply provides through the year, and we're going to continue to do our best. However, whenever we have new products, as you know, it ramps from 0 to a very large number. And you can't do that overnight. Whenever we have a new generation of products, and right now we are ramping H200s, there's no way we can reasonably keep up on demand in a short term as we ramp. First, our CSPs have a very clear view of our product roadmap and transitions. And that transparency with our CSPs gives them the confidence of which products to place and where and when. Do the best we can to allocate fairly and to avoid allocating unnecessarily. What NVIDIA is really unique about is we bring our partners, CSPs and OEMs, we bring them customers. The biology companies, the healthcare companies, financial services companies, there's just a giant suite of robotics companies that are emerging. All of these startups, large companies, healthcare, financial services, and auto and such, are working on NVIDIA's platform. We support them directly. And oftentimes, we can have a twofer by allocating to a CSP and bringing the customer to the CSP at the same time. Remember, the US government wants to limit the latest capabilities of NVIDIA's accelerated computing and AI to the Chinese market. And so we had to pause when the new restrictions came out, reconfigured our products, and so we reset our product offering to China, and now we're sampling to customers in China. This last quarter, our business significantly declined as we stop shipping in the marketplace. We expect this quarter to be about the same. But after that, hopefully we can go compete for our business. Let me take a step back and explain the fundamental reason why NVIDIA will be very successful in software. Enterprise software companies and enterprise companies don't have large engineering teams to be able to maintain and optimize their software stack to run across all of the world's clouds and private clouds and on-prem. So we are going to do the management, the optimization. The way we go to market with it, it's an operating system for artificial intelligence. And we charge $4,500 per GPU per year. And my guess is that every enterprise in the world, every software enterprise company that are deploying software will run on NVIDIA AI Enterprise. And so this is going to likely be a very significant business over time.